Imagine being able to tuck your kids in at night or spending time with your grandkids, knowing your business is still running in the background. That's what email automation does. It works while you live your life. And today I'll show you exactly how beginners can use it to finally build real freedom online. And make sure you stick around until step 4, because that's the piece that unlocks daily income and long-term success. Hi, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4. And like many of you, I felt the stress of bills, fatigue, and wanting more time with my family. I couldn't take on a job that demanded 40 or 50 hours a week. I needed something flexible, something simple, something that worked even when I couldn't. That's when I discovered the Freedom Formula Blueprint. One of the biggest lessons I learned right away is this. If you want to make real income online, you have to master email marketing automation. And don't worry, because I'm going to make it super simple. So what is email marketing automation? Let's strip it down. Email marketing automation means setting up a system once and having it run automatically for you over and over again. Think of it like planting seeds in your garden. You don't replant every day. You plant once, water occasionally, and then it grows on its own. In business, this looks like this. Someone joins your email list. They get a welcome email automatically. A few days later, they get a helpful tip, a story, or a resource from you. Later, they get introduced to your digital product offer. You're not sending those emails one by one. The system sends them for you 24/7, even while you sleep. That's the power of automation. But why do marketers need email automation? Most beginners think they just need social media, but here's the truth. Social platforms change their algorithms constantly. One day your post reaches hundreds, the next day almost no one. But with email, you own the list. It's yours, and no one can take it away. And here's the kicker. Emails convert at a much higher rate than social media. Why? Because you're showing up in someone's inbox, direct, personal, and trusted. If you're starting from scratch, email marketing is the foundation you want to build on. Here's how email automation works inside the Freedom Formula Blueprint. Step 1, choose the right done-for-you business. You get access to high-quality digital products you can sell for 100% profit. Step 2, set up your funnel. Send people to your funnel using free strategies like TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Step 4, build your email list. Here's where automation kicks in. You set up a nurture sequence, share your story, deliver value, and point people to your product. Step 5, automate and scale. As your list grows, your income grows without adding more hours. If this is starting to make sense and you want to see how it all fits together, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It walks you through all 5 steps so you can start today. Now you might wondering, how do you actually make this work in only 2 hours a day? Here's my daily schedule. The first hour is spent creating content. I create posts or videos that point people to my funnel. This is how I get new people on my email list every single day. The next 30 minutes I spend either going live or posting free ads. And the last 30 minutes is for email and connection. This is where automation meets personal touch. I check my list stats, write 1 new email, and respond to any messages. That's it, 2 hours. The automation takes care of the rest. You might be wondering why this works for moms, dads, and empty nesters. The model isn't about working 60+ hours a week. It's about creating a system that works in the background so you can be present for the things and the people in your life that matter the most. Moms can work during nap time or school hours. Dads can build daily income without losing evenings to overtime. Empty nesters can find renewed purpose and create income to support their retirement. Email automation makes this all possible. Now, I'll be real, this isn't a push a button, but I've seen people go from stressed out and scattered to making $300 to $900 days using this exact system. The key is that once the emails are written, they keep working. That's daily income with minimal extra effort. Here are some common questions I get. Do I need tech skills? No. Platforms like System.io make this beginner friendly. Do I need a big following? Not at all. Most people start with 0 followers. Do I need to write hundreds of emails? No, just a handful of well-written ones to start nurturing your audience. What if I've never sold anything before? That's okay. The blueprint gives you proven products. You just connect the right people to them. So if you're ready to understand email marketing and automation for beginners and see how you can create daily income online, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. That's where you'll find the exact steps to start building today. You don't have to keep guessing, posting endlessly, or chasing side hustles that barely pay. Email automation is the simplest, smartest way to build a business for you, even while you sleep. Thanks so much for watching. Grab your free blueprint and I'll see you in this next video.